everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today as usual we have brought you another tutorial video regarding how you can delete your repost posts on your TikTok app. But before we start with our video, please do like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share our video with your friends and family. And yeah, let's get started. So first of all, just go to your TikTok app. Yes, once your app is open, tap on this profile icon below, tap on it. And as you can see, there are many icons below your profile given. So you will click on this two arrow icon, which is one is going down, one is going up. Tap on that arrow, and here are the videos that are reposted. So I have reposted these two videos, and yeah, I will tap on any of the videos that I want to remove. Tap on that video, and you will see this arrow icon below. Tap on that arrow icon, and then you will see these three lined options and icons popped up. Then you will see this first line, first icon, remove repost. This is the icon you have to click for you to remove your repost video. So I'll tap on that. Your repost has been removed. Once you see that, then you will again go back to your profile to check it, and yeah, as you can see, that particular repost video is not in my profile anymore. So yeah, this is how you can remove your reposted videos from your TikTok app, and I hope this tutorial has helped you. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.